just let them know, hey, it supports your immune system. And if you have a scratchy throat, this can help as well. So it's really flavorful, and I love these a lot. And this is our gift to you for getting a Natural Solutions kit and mentioning this video and Airbnb.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Lance McGowan here and
Melly Simpson.
And today we're going to talk about the benefits of becoming a new Airbnb host. And that's a pretty awesome opportunity. But the question is how do you earn some extra income with Airbnb as a new host? Because I hear there's some awesome perks and stuff.
Oh yeah, so it's actually super easy. So if you have a room in your home that's your guest room that you're not using, or even if you have some rental properties, you can list them on Airbnb and you can earn income from those listings. So you offer that space in your home or that property that you have to guests that are traveling that use the Airbnb app, and you can earn income on those reservations.
So as a new Airbnb host, you could earn money when people stay 1 day to 1 month, and maybe offer discounts if they stay longer as well.
Right, so it's a great way to supplement your income, or actually just earn a little extra income that with something that you're not using all the time. And you can block out dates if you have your own company coming or you're traveling yourself. There's so much flexibility with it. There's actually even co-hosting if you need someone to help you manage your place as well. So for me, it just really made sense for me, and I have had such a great experience over it. And people, you think, oh, that seems so weird to have strangers stay with you in your own home, but really it's really cool to meet new people from all over the world, and I've only had great experiences with the people that I've met that have stayed with me in my home.
There was a past roommate that was worried about, like, oh, what if they try to steal something or rob you or do something bad to you? And it's like, how many people that have robbed or done something bad to you paid you in advance as a customer?
Right, so they have their credit card on file with Airbnb, and they do put down a deposit. So if there's any issues or damage, then Airbnb has a insurance policy, a $1 million insurance policy that would cover any accidents or damage to your room or your home, anything like that. So you really are covered. And for the most part, the people are looking for just a personalized experience through Airbnb. They're not looking to cause any problems. So.
Right, yeah. And then the transactions are secure. It's SSL secured, and it's great. And I know that sounds like one way to earn money is through customers that stay at your home or other properties or rent out a room. But there's another way through a referral program, correct? So what's the Airbnb referral program all about?
Oh, that's right. So actually, if you become an Airbnb host, then you can actually refer others to do the same as you're doing. If you become an Airbnb host and refer others to do the same, your friends or your family, then you can earn a $100 bonus when they rent out their own space. So it has to be within 150 days. And they need a reservation of $100 to do so, but then you can earn a $100 bonus as well. And so that's what I'm offering anyone on this video, is to click the link below to sign up to start your own Airbnb experience. And I'm offering this is a free bottle of On Guard spray. So this is really cool because it disinfects and cleans the air, or the home, or the bathroom, the bedroom,
your hands,
the TV remote. So it's a natural way to clean.
And then you're also offering some other gifts as well for new hosts.
Yeah. So if you decide that you're interested in becoming a host for Airbnb, then you actually, I'm really passionate about offering really high quality products to my guests. I definitely recommend that you do the same. So I also am giving samples. So we have an all-natural toothpaste sample tube. So you can try this, or you can offer this to your guests as well in the bathroom. This is an all-natural muscle egg rub as well. Little travel packs, natural shampoo and conditioner. So really super high quality salon, but all natural with essential oils. And then you get a little trial soap as well. So You get a little sample pack of some of the natural products that we have along with this full-size spray for your hosting experiences.
That's right. So when you become a new Airbnb host with Malie, you can get some nice freebies and goodies when you book your room or your property out within 5 months, which isn't that difficult, as long as you got some good pictures and you have a good description, and you get a booking of at least $100. So that's pretty awesome. Because a lot of rooms go for, 30, 40, 50 bucks, and so that's basically almost like a 2-night stay with somebody, or somebody who gets a 3 or 4-night stay at a lower price. So yeah, that's very doable for sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's definitely, depends on the size of your room and if you're renting out a whole house, of course, but it's really easy and it's really awesome to be able to get the free goodies as a new Airbnb host, and then you can offer the same opportunity to your friends or family if they're looking to supplement their income as well.
Awesome. Yeah, it also distinguishes you from other people as well when you offer green cleaning or green products that help your guests and customers stay healthy. And that's awesome. But there's another question, which is, how do you get from the airport to the actual Airbnb location? I know when you have guests as an Airbnb host, that's also very important to consider. So what is Turo, and how can a new Airbnb host enhance the experience for their guests with that?
Yeah, it's a question that a lot of my Airbnb guests, ask, and it's nice to put that in your description on your Airbnb profile, is how do they get around? Because it's a very common question. So of course there's the city bus, which is, not recommended, but it's an option for those on a budget. Uber and Lyft are very popular now, and of course taxis, but they're a little expensive. But now we have Turo here, so we have our little Turo products here. We have our little keychain, a license plate. Here's my car keys, actually, that I rent out my car, and I have a little Turo keychain on that as well. So what Turo is, it's a car sharing opportunity, so you can save up to 35% off traditional car rental prices, and you can also rent very unique cars or trucks or SUVs or convertibles, whatever you're in the mood for, at lower prices. So it's a really cool opportunity, and it's basically the Airbnb of car rentals.
That's awesome. So Turo offers a lot of flexibility and control over your travel experience through a vehicle that is very similar to Airbnb. So that's pretty awesome. I know they were started around the same time. They've both been around for a little while now, but that's really cool. And I know you like to use a lot of different natural items with regards to your home and your car. I know we have laundry detergent here. We have a diffuser for the home to clean the air. We've got hand wash. There's so many other options here. How do you like to use essential oils for your guests or your Turo clients?
Yeah, I use all these, whether it's for my home or the room I rent out or for my car that I rent out. So we have this car diffuser is amazing to offer as a Turo host, or if you are renting a car from Turo, then look for someone that has essential oils. We also have this natural hand spray here, so this I offer in my car, so they can just clean the steering wheel or the gear shift as well. So
their hands.
Or their hands, yes. And then what about this essential oil family kit here, Lance?
Oh yeah, so the Family Essentials kit is great because it's the best way to be prepared for life's little emergencies when you're traveling out and about or when you're at your home, and because it comes with the top 10 essential oils for the home. And so those are listed here, or shown here. Also comes with some beadlets, which are little balls of essential oil. And so if you know somebody or you yourself have, you need some extra support for energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, and really just supporting your immune system, then this kit is going to be amazing because it helps you to address the root cause, not just mask symptoms, and it helps you with natural, safe, and effective options instead of synthetic and toxic ones. And because it is so travel ready, this box is so convenient and small and compact, it's great to basically enjoy natural solutions during your experience as a host when you're just you're hosting your home. That's awesome. But then your guests get to experience that. But then you as a host can benefit from this kit, or even your guests can benefit from these as well. So it just kind of depends. But this is very complimentary to any Airbnb host. And this is something that can certainly enhance the experience that you have to stay healthy, but also your customers to stay healthy too, because of all the other items And we have other videos that show kind of all that as well, but yeah.
Right, and I know if you are, interested in getting a kit like this for your home and offering it to your guests, then we offer a free one of these. This doesn't come in the kit, so we offer this as a free gift for getting the Family Essentials kit. But we have a lot of other products here, like Lance mentioned, the laundry soap and the natural cleaner, natural hand soap. So is there's other kits that you can get besides this kit?
Yeah, so another one that we've done, we have about 15 videos on, so I'll have more information in the description below on that. But it's the Natural Solutions Kit, and that one's the perfect kit to make over your health, bathroom, or kitchen cabinet. One of the items that comes in the Natural Solutions Kit is the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash, which is a favorite of our clients because it's so smooth. It's non-toxic, it's a green cleaner, and really you just put it on your hands. It's great for your bathroom or your kitchen, and it's just, it helps to basically put a natural barrier on your hands to clean them. And it comes with a refill bottle and an extra actual dispenser. So it comes with 2 dispensers in the Natural Solutions Kit. We have more information on that kit. There's lots of other items in there as well. And so we're just kind of highlighting one because this is kind of just a sneak peek to those video series. But yeah, that kit is amazing, and we have a free gift for you when you get that kit and mention this video with Airbnb, which is the On Guard Throat Drops.
Right.
There you go. So when you open up this bag, this is a nice little gift that we give you, and then, let's see here. Okay, so when you open up the bag, it comes with these little throat drops. And these are nice because when you're traveling or if your guests are traveling, this is nice to have like a little bowl in your room or your home so they can kind of take one and support their immune system throughout the day. But this has a nice kind of like cinnamon clove flavor. That's what On Guard's kind of all about. And it has wild orange and some other amazing oils in there. But you don't have to teach anybody how to use it. You just let them know, hey, it supports your immune system. And if you have a scratchy throat, this can help as well. So it's really flavorful, and I love these a lot. And this is our gift to you for getting a Natural Solutions Kit and mentioning this video and Airbnb.
Yeah, I love that kit because I know, like I said, there's a lot of other products in that Natural Solutions Kit. Shampoo and conditioner. There's a diffuser here, but all that is in the other videos. So check those out, and I know there's more savings because it's a little bit bigger kit than this small kit, but it's pretty amazing if you really want to get a little bit of everything for the home and save extra money as well.
Yeah, so to summarize, the Natural Solutions Kit is perfect for new Airbnb hosts or Airbnb hosts in general. So yeah. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the links in the description below so you can learn how to become an Airbnb host with Malie. So you can learn about Turo and offering that for your clients as well as additional service, and how to get a Family Essentials kit for yourself or the Natural Solutions kit and get some bonus gifts as well. Hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for more future video updates, and we'll see you in the next video.